Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very important remedy which is indicated for a lot of, it's a constitutional remedy, so indicated for variety of complaints, but I'll today discuss the back symptom of Kali Carb. Yes, Kali Carb, a very interesting remedy, a very important remedy for backache, and it has a lot of symptom relation to back which I'll discuss today, which I've seen in my clinical practice. A very important symptom of backache or back symptoms of Kali Carb is itching in the sacrum with burning. There are a lot of other remedies also, but Kali Carb is a very important remedy when there is itching in the sacrum with burning. And the pain of Kali Carb, a very important time modality is that after 3 a.m. the patient will typically come and tell you that pain aggravates after 3 a.m. that backache increases at that time. You must think about Kali Carb. Also, when the pain in the back is aggravated by bending backwards, patient says when I bend backwards the back pain increases, and when I bend forward the pain is better. Now this is again a very important symptom because this symptom the patient remembers very precisely, and he is able to tell that symptom very precisely to you. So it's very important to understand this symptom of Kali Carb. Next symptom of Kali Carb, which is again important, is that the patient has backache, or the ladies will complain that ever since after abortion she had backache, and that is a very important symptom of Kali Carb. See, pain aggravated by bending backwards. You can think about pulsatilla, you can think about hydrogen, you can think about chelidonium or semicifuga. And pain emanated by bending forward, you can again think about pulsatilla, hydrogen, sepia or sulfur also. But this pain after abortion is a very, very important symptom of Kali Carb backache. Sometimes what happens, you are not able to understand what the patient is describing the pain. So the modalities then becomes very important to prescribe the remedy. One more important modality of Kali Carb is that the backache or pain in the back is better by passing flatus. This is again a very, very important. Patient says that मेरे को जब भी गैस पास होती है ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, आई फील द बैक इज बेटर, एंड दैट इज अगेन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम ऑफ Kali Carb backache. This you have to compare with a very, very interesting remedy, that is berberis. Berberis has the same symptom, that the back is better by passing flatus. Also a very important remedy, first is ruta and then phosphorus, have the same symptom, that is pain in the back is better by passing flatus. One more interesting symptom which I have found very useful in Kali Carb is that whenever the patient is working or doing a good job working, there is a lot of mental exertion, and he says that whenever there is mental exertion I start getting backache, and this again is a very, very important indication of Kali Carb. As you know, Kali Carb is a workaholic, is a project worker. When he takes a project he tries to complete it and he does not see the time. So pain in the back, aggravation from mental exertion or from general mental exertion. Think about Kali Carb and think about one more remedy, and that is chamomilla. Yes, chamomilla also is a very interesting remedy when there is pain in the back which is aggravated by mental exertion. Now in Kali Carb you must remember that the pain from the back, it extends to knees, extends to the stomach, extends to the thighs, and this is a very, very interesting symptom because this pain generally extending to the stomach, to the thighs, then downwards, upwards, sometimes to the cervical region. So this again a very, very important symptom of Kali Carb backache, which extends to the pelvis, to the lower extremities, to the knees, to the thighs. So this again, when the patient comes and tells you that I have backache and it is coming to the thighs, to the knees, are very, very important indications of Kali Carb. Especially I have seen in my practice, if you see, I have seen a Kali Carb patient many a time say that the pain in the back extend to the knees. With this I have had a very good interesting remedy. You have to compare that remedy, and that is Arnica montana. Second, what I have seen in Kali Carb is that pain extends to the pelvis. Pain in the back extends to the pelvis. This is again a very, very interesting symptom of Kali Carb, of extension of pain, that I have seen in my practice clinically. Of course, in Mater Medica, it is everywhere in the body, what I have described before. Next, if you go to see, Kali Carb has pain in the cervical region also. And it is said that whenever there is pain in the cervical region, especially it is in the morning pain in the cervical region. So these are a very, very important, sometimes very short symptom which I have seen in Carb back problems, and there again one symptom is important, that is a pain in the coccyx. Especially if you see ladies, that pain in the coccyx during menses or pain in the coccyx when the menses are suppressed are both important symptoms of Carb. Because the coccyx pain is a pain where only homeopathy can give you good relief if your symptoms correspond. So this again, a backache symptom in relation to coccyx is very important symptom of Carb. As you go further in mathematics, you have seen there are a lot of other symptoms of Carb, but these are the symptoms only in relation to back I have seen of Carb, and I've shared with you whatever clinically I have seen in my practice. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.